In this video, you will see how Twizzar lets you customize every aspect of the test creation process. Twizzar generates the unit tests based on a template that can be fully customized to your needs. For example, you can choose the name of your test project. In this case, we want to use test as the prefix instead of tests. You can also rename the test method. We will use to do rename me for now. For this example, we want to use XUnit instead of NUnit, so we configure Twizzar to automatically add the nuget packages for XUnit. Next, we will modify the test code. We will remove the NUnit using statement and add the XUnit one. We don't need any class annotation for XUnit. We will mark the test method with the fact attribute. Now, let's see how Twizzar creates a new unit test for us. It will generate a test project with the name we specified and the test method we named. Upon examining the generated code, we observe that the correct XUnit using statement has been added. The class remains unannotated, and the method is adorned with the fact annotation. Furthermore, the navigation from the test method to the method under test seamlessly accommodates these changes and functions flawlessly with our custom configuration.